live cow.
Okay.
Yeah, right. Dogs live here. High five.
Oh, yes.
Oh, Alice, look! Run! Alice, look! The animals run away.
Oh, no.
Let's find the animals and put them back. Alice, I know how we can find the animals. We need to give them a food.
Okay. Let's go.
Carrot, cabbage, some greens, and bone for a dog. Let's go!
Beep, beep, beep.
This way! And let's put over here.
Oh, yes.
Piggy, we have a carrot for you.
Let's go.
Alice, look! We found! Huh? Do you hear the goat?
Beep, beep, beep.
Good job, Alice! Let's go! It's a rooster! Let's go! Let's go home. Okay, let's go.
What?
Alice, look! It's a dog's footprints. The dog inside the house.
No.
The tractor is not allowed inside the house. We have a trolley. Alice, come on. Doggy. Let's check. Doggy. Alice, look. It's our doggy. Let's put here. Ready! High five! Yay! Huh? Alice, it's over here. Let's go. It's a cow. The cow is big. Let's feed the cow. We found all animals. Let's put them back. Alice, let's go. And last one. God! It's a piggy. Piggy says... No. The piggy says... Who lives in this house? No, Alice, it's a cow. Alice, let's go to the farm to see and learn about the animals.
Yay!
Let's go, Alice.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, McDonald's had a farm. Thanks. Oh no.
Oh, it's so cute. Bon appetit. It's a goat. Goat says meh.
Okay.
Alice, look! It's a baby bunny! Alice, what we need to do after feed animals? Right! Wash your hands! And let's add salt! Clean! We inside the strawberry! It's a fish! Let's feed dirt, right? Wow, Alice, look, here are a lot of dirt! It's too important to wash your hands after feeding animals.
Okay.
It's train station. Alice, let's go.
Okay.
We're ready. It's a tiger. Horses and donkeys. Let's go. Alice, come closer. It's donkey. Look. Oh, hello, Mr. Donkey. Donkey says, "Eeyaw, eeyaw." It's a cow. Cow say, moo.
Moo.
Alice, look. It's a horse. This is a pig. Pig say. Now we know all animals. Good job. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's a puppy. It's so cute. Alice, look here. At least what we need to do to the puppy. Wash me, dress me up, new toys, feed me, play with me, put me to bed.
Okay.
Today is a puppy day. Let's go shopping.
Yay!
Let's go. Hello, we need to wash our puppy. Alice, choose what you like. You're so pretty. Wash me. Done. Alice, we need new clothes. Oh, look. Oh, red dress. Let's try. Alice, look. Do you like it?
No.
Okay, let's try another one. Good choice, Alice. Let's try. Here we go. Much better.
Yes.
Okay, Alice, let's buy. Yay! New clothes done. Okay, Alice, what's the next one? New toys. Okay, guys, we arrived.
Let's go.
Alice, look. It's the orange fish and black fish. Alice, it's house for cat. Look, this is for dog. Wow, so many doggy houses.
Oh, yes.
Alice, she's like it.
Cool.
It's so cute. Good choice. Alice, look. It's so many toys. Wow, look at this. Nice choice, Alice. New toys. Done.
Let's go.
We at home.
Yay.
Yes, right. It's time for lunch. Bon appetit, Alice. Alice, it's playtime for Puppy.
Yes.
Alice, I said she's tired. Let's go home. Play. Done. Good night, Puppy. Bedtime. And we done everything.
Yay.
Someone coming? Let's go check. Alice, it's a dog. Oh, someone left here. Let's go home.
Okay.
Dog seems hungry. Let's check what we have.
Let's go.
Alice, we need to go to the shopping.
Oh, yes.
We need to find clothes, food, toys, and bed. Let's go to the shopping.
Okay.
Buckle up. Let's go.
Yay.
And go. Oh, this is not for baby. Let's find something for baby.
Okay.
Look, we found baby food. It's a puree. Good choice, Alice. One for baby and one for Alice.
Oh, yes.
We found cookies. Good choice. I like it. You my little helper. Oops, ready. Alice, what do you buy next? Alice, you're right. We need new clothes. Let's go. Hello. Alice, where's our dog? We forget. Let's go, Alice. We forget our dog. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Okay. Oh, no.
This one? No. Okay. Do you like it? I think it's good for our doll. Good choice, Alice. Let's go. Close. It's done. Alice, look, we found drawing. One for you and one for doll. Alice, you found a bed. Good job, Alice.
Okay.
Bed done. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
Do you like yellow?
No. Wow.
Green. Magic wand. Good choice, Alice. Toys is done. We're ready. And now go home, Alice.
Oh no.
Let's go on playground. Yay! Let's go. Ice cream?
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you. We're ready. Let's go home. Bye-bye. We are home. Alice, let's prepare a room for the doll. Oh, Alice, it's too small for you. This is for baby. Good job, Alice. It's time for sleep. We have long day.
Bye, Mommy. Bye, Baby.